All right, let's do this again. Let's run it again. Last session was not that good because of this, weird ass price action that I had to take. Trades in. I lost a lot in this one, but yeah, bro, it is what it is. We move on to the next. So we are on a Monday, right? Here, and we are opening around this fair value gap, daily fair value gap, right? Let's go to weekly though, and let's even check the monthly as well because we are about to close a monthly candle. So sort of a doji candle after taking these highs, all-time highs on all the assets. So that kind of sucks. Now coming to weekly, we got this IRL to ERL move, and now we are getting back inside the range on YM. On NQ, I see that we swept these what do you call the uh, weekly lows inside the fair value gap, and we are kind of getting um, push back towards the upside. Having said that, it's too early to say it because just because we are kind of inside this accumulation, I can't really tell that it should distribute. Although coming to the daily, it speaks that we should now expand really because we expanded like this expansion we accumulated here. Now we are manipulating that accumulation, right? These lows were the accumulation. So order pairing also looks pretty clean here. Obviously we took the high first, made the SMT, and then started going lower. We took the low. Now probably we should again start going higher and take these out, right? YM being the weakest asset and NQ being the strongest asset, I would like to play this move at least on NQ instead of YM. Yeah. Yeah, cool. So we do get the C2 on Friday, and now coming to 4 hour, we see that this was a huge ass candle to the downside, and then we recovered as well on NQ, but other assets not that much. Also, we don't have the lows of from like really significant for the day. There's no significance low here for the day. We do have these low being swept on YM, so I can say that this is the SMT that we are playing around for now. Just that we are lacking key level. If we get a key level, yes, we do get the key level here on hourly. So yeah, I guess this is valid now. Gets this SMT with then CSD. No displacement after the CSD though, so that kind of sucks. But I feel like we should be bullish for today. What else? Let's see. 30 also looks like accumulation, major accumulation. 2 a.m. opens up, goes lower, much more clear on YM, opens up, accumulation, manipulates the low, and then started trading higher. right? We do have this PSP. And we have this SMT as well. Where is the next relevant draw? We are around the next like the relevant draw here. So I guess I need a new phase of price. I can't really enter here. Also, I need YM to catch up here if we really, reversed from here. So let's fast forward it. So New York opens up and sort of started expanding right away. Let's go to lower time frames now. Just a bit. So YM, catches up towards that high. Now what we do is pretty much tells where we are going to go. So I guess YM is catching up the strength, I guess. Do we have any strength switch though? No, we don't. Okay, cool. Let's see if we get any sort of continuation entry. Do we have any SMT or gap or inside this gap or something? No. So this is the order block, but I don't like this kind of order block because it's like the highest point of the day and it's like more likely to go to the downside. Like this is just 5 minute order block. I can't really, just take the 5 minute order block for the continuation. As you see, we are sort of struggling to go to the upside. Let's see if we get any 15-minute swing point here, and then probably we can take that. So why I'm still expanding heavily. This was 10 a.m. open. NQ really just paused here and not really expanding anywhere now. I wanted much more strength on NQ instead of YM. At least that's what I was looking for. Equal lows, I want that to go. It goes. So we do have SMT around here just for now. If we get a new swing point, I can still take it. Yeah, we do get that swing point here. A clean one though. It's just that I am kind of, looking to trade. Okay. We still don't get that. Let me see lower time frames. We have SMT runnings around this inside of all this, retracement, but I don't like to really tap into that. Are we going lower? Shouldn't be going lower, honestly. Let's see how far we can go. Okay, so this is the new swing point with the PSP and everything. C2, C2, right? If I get some sort of strength switch on NQ, nothing like it. It's just YM is expanding heavily. instead of oh, we had this what do you call order block here, continuation order block. We might be tapped in inside that. Let's see if it holds. I don't see it holding on though. It's 10:55. Let's see this. We have this SMT here. Let's see Ali. Okay. I would like this to go lower, NQ to go lower to make an SMT around here, right? And then probably we can trade YM to these highs. That can be the move of the day. I'll still look for these, but it's just that it's really out of hand now for me on YM. And I really don't want to trade NQ because it's like very weak and I don't have any strength switch as of now. Right? NQ still struggling. It's okay. We do have this continuation CSD on YM and it just rips right after that. Okay. All right. I really was looking or hunting for the trades. Like I was almost forced myself to take a trade at the highest point of the day, but then I just remembered I should not do it and I just didn't. Let's keep this running though. So as we see, wait, YM being the strongest now wants to catch up towards these failure swings now, right? So I will be now focused more on taking longs on YM, right? Um, the day looks pretty weird because there is no such what do you call a key level apart from the this fair value gap, which is also in the upper half of the um, previous day, and we have been accumulating a lot on the day. Did we took out the previous day's high on all the assets? No, we haven't. So we do have an SMT on the previous day's high here like this, and then probably like we are expanding to the downside. We haven't taken out any relevant swing point apart from that previous day's high. So yeah, I guess we should go lower a little bit. So this can be the draw, and then from there we can look for like how the price is reacting, and then probably we can go ahead from there. Honestly, on NQ, I do not think we have anything apart from these or the lowest point of this swing point, which would make it the, I don't know, man. It's like it will be very weird, SMT, which will be very spaced out, where YM is very high in the range and NQ is like the lowest in the range, like not even in the range, even lower than the range. So this can be the um, lowest hanging fruit. Except that we might be having, so we have this SMT and then we have this SMT, right? Yeah, yeah. So this looks like a continuation SMT for me towards the downside. This also is an SMT fill on hourly, but I don't know. Like we open up straight up, made the SMT expanded lower, uh, gave the gaps, and we are currently SMTing inside that gap. So if I get something like some sort of CSD or order block, I can take it right away because this is C2 as well here, and this is 2 a.m. expands, 6 a.m. accumulates, so probably still have time to expand lower. Okay, everything just in the garbage now, just expands heavily to the upside. There is nothing to reverse from for NQ here, and not even for YM though. Yeah, I don't think I should look for um, higher prices just yet. There is a chance that it might still, keep expanding because, accumulation or consolidation and then just expansion. Expansion, consolidation, expansion. No manipulation. So there is a chance of that also being happening. But I won't be able to probably take any trades in that. Um, yeah, so I guess NQ is going to catch up towards those highs while YM took out those highs and switching the strength here, right? Like this. Just for now, like a very momentarily, if I get some sort of, continuation, I can take it. I will take it because now we have these SMT. Like the strength switch is like kind of right there. YM took out all these lows while NQ didn't. I just need a good close, which I get here. Okay, this looks better now on NQ. We have these SMT from the lowest point of the day. Should I just take this? I don't know, man. Still feel like I should wait because, yeah. Yeah, because there is a chance that it might just rip. New sweep here and string switch or something like that here as well. But this is accumulation after expansion, so I still should be fine. This is 10 a.m. open. Let's see the high. So okay, we do have this PSP, 4-hour PSP with this SMT on the highs, like with the same candle, right? But okay, we just tapped in here. Nice. So now I can look for this and target this SMT for break, right? Ideally, that should happen because we are expanding to the upside and we just got the strength switch. And yeah, more or less everything looks good. I just need a swing point to trade inside and then I'm game, I guess. Let's see if I get that. 10 a.m. has to also make its relevant high low, which looks like okay, we are not expanding to the upside now, not at all. Okay, so that was the whole plan, but I guess it's just not going to expand to the upside. Yeah, heavily going to the downside without giving much entry points to anything. Not really care about the. So low has been gone. Let me clear out few things here. This should go, this should go. Let's go a little more to the upside. So this was the initial draw for us, but we tried to go higher. Because we got the strength switch. Okay. Mm. And this is not a relevant swing point also. So I don't know. We should be targeting these lows on NQ, I guess. What are these lows? Yeah. Accumulation not reacted from there. So another sweep probably. And this looks good to go to the downside because expansion 6 a.m. expansion lower. Um, we have this PSP, but no SMT yet. If we get this SMT here, we can take entry to the downside. We do have SMT at these relevant high like this. Okay, let's see if we get the continuation structure or something like that. Currently, we don't have anything. Um, I need this CST here with the close to target that low. Okay, I got that close, but it's like so much weird. Let me check the higher time frames. SMT fill, yeah, I guess we should go lower. Shouldn't be a problem because for our expansion candle, 6 are also about to open. 6 are C2, we will be getting into C3. So that is also cool. Okay, I can take this trade. Honestly, it's just that there is no displacement which, is telling me that it can be a sucky move though. Um, 2 are here with the, limit position. Okay, we are in. Okay, we will be out soon. We have this sweep. If we get this sweep while we are in the drawdown, that should be fire without taking us out. Do we get that? Equal highs. Shut up. Doesn't look good. It's what? Almost 2 p.m. Let's see. 4 hour now. Okay, 2 p.m. opens up and trades lower. There's nothing of relevance as well that I can, go to break even though. So I will be taking the loss here. This is new day, I guess. Yeah. I will be cutting my trade here. Uh, failure swing again. It is what it is. Let's see. So we should still go lower. I don't think we should keep these. Bro, what is this price action? It's so bad. Like we are not getting any sort of follow through from anywhere. And I'm just trying to, get a trade inside this bullshit. Just because I don't want to, miss on any opportunities. Um yeah, man. C2, C3, no ideal C4. Um, should have gotten there in London, I think. Yeah, not even London. This is Asia only. 12 a.m. Opens up and straight up starts diving on YM. But that wasn't a positional entry, so I had to, cut that off. What day is it? It's 31st. Okay, damn. And we are on a Wednesday, so okay, we just. Did we forward it? No, we didn't. Let's forward it. What happened? Okay, I guess I mistakenly um, forwarded the whole day, Wednesday day. But yeah, I missed nothing. I missed really nothing. Oh my god, bro, what is this price action? Please give me something. Let me see what news we have here. We have 10 a.m. news. Then we have NFP on 2nd of September, which might be Friday. Okay. Should I just go to Friday then? I should. Okay. Really nothing missed here again. We have PSP yesterday. Bro. So we have this PSP, okay? PSP. And we are expanding to the upside, the higher end. The nearest relevant swing point is this, which we already took out on NQ. NQ just ripping today. Nice. Let's see 4 hour now. Okay. Okay. So it's ripping because of the news. Okay. So today we opens up and simply starts trading higher without any sweep or anything. Although we do have this SMT here. Let's go to 1 hour. So SMT and the lowest point of the day makes it a relevant swing point, right? So low of the day acquired. Now we need the high of the day. 30 6 a.m. opens up and starts trading higher. 15, nothing really, it's just expanding heavily. We might have gotten an entry here at what time? 8:55. Okay, New York opens and starts going lower because we trade inside that relevant swing point on YM, right? So the next point should be this. Ideally, if we are failing to manipulate this. the swing point. Let's see if we get any sort of cracks or anything here. We do have this SMT here. Okay, just ripping, and at the highest point of the day, so can't really take that. 10 a.m. opens up, make a relevant low. I hope it makes a relevant low here. Okay, SMT here. Just for now though. Let me peek higher time frames. Failing to manipulate. So probably should just expand. Relevant swing point being swept on NQ as well. So new phase of price. Let's go to hourly. Yeah, ideally we should be getting new phase of price. We've just tapped inside and just started going lower. I should ideally be waiting for 10:30 then. 10:30 already came, I guess. Yeah, this is 10:30. So let's see. This should be the recall. This should be the move. Let's see if we get some sort of expansion to get to the on side. We don't, but we still hold the SMT here. Open is 18507. Closes. Okay. Close. Okay. Not closed above. And we are sort of now invalidating the. Okay, let's see. Okay, where is that swing? Yeah, okay, wait. Let's wait for this then. Okay, so this has been partially approved, right? This swing point. When I go to the lower time frame, I do have this ESP with the SMT. So this should just, take and start going higher. We again have an SMT here. For now, I need a lower time frame. What do you call signatures? Okay, all the SMTs are gone now. SMT break, consolidating, swept, invalidating, and dropping. Dropped everything. So bias wrong again, I guess. But it's just that I didn't think this as a reversal. Yes, it was a relevant swing point, but I didn't wanted it to reverse here after this huge expansion to the upside. Let's see what we do here. What time is it? It's 1. Just ripping lower. I don't think we are going to expand today. Let's see the daily. Yeah, man, like daily kinda is fucked up right now. Ah, shit. What am I even doing inside this price action, bro? Ah, I just don't know, man. C2 closure. Wow, yay. But I don't think we should be expanding to the upside anymore. Or let's see if we get any sort of, close, higher time frame close, then probably I can look into it. V shape. Um, we do get this close as well. Good close, decent close on YM. ES, is ES the strongest asset though? Not sure. Let me see ES clearly a little bit. No. Okay, cool. So I can either take, should I really take NQ only? But relevant swing point is right here. So it will come here and then probably start going lower as well. Okay, expanding, 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 expanding. Give me some sort of string switch or something that I can take. It's day and I should not be really. Bro, please, please, what are you doing? Okay, so we haven't done anything after the open. What is this day? Monday. So let's see weekly. Weekly C2. Nice. Inside a fair value gap. Okay, so this week should be very interesting. That's what I feel. This IRL, right? All these engineered liquidity. C2. Let me remove everything. Let's start fresh. This fair value gap. We get C2 bullish expansion closure, right? And C2 expansion closure here as well, making a new relevant swing point after away from this probably to swing higher. Yeah, swing higher. I mean, yeah, NQ. Sorry, ES looks the same. It's just that NQ is kind of very weak for me. But I would like to trade NQ as lagging asset. We have clear draws on NQ, that's why. We expanded, and tapped inside this relevant high, and now probably, new phase of price is still going on. I want this to hold, which currently NQ is not doing at all. So on NQ we are in a discount, whereas on other assets we are in a premium. Do we have any sort of key level from the previous day? I do not think that we have it. Although we do have this fair value gap, 4-hour fair value gap, right? We do have SMT at the highs, but I feel like it should, take like those SMT should be breaking because we are around like all these are failure swings. On NQ, it's not, it's more like a relevant swing, but on YM, it's like a failure swing, and we are not really, expanding to the downside heavily. Like there is no displacement here up until right now on NQ. 2 a.m. opens up, goes higher and down, trades lower. We mix the SMT with the in London, and 6 a.m. opens up, still going lower. Without any swing point or anything, I just need this close, 6 a.m. close, to check if we have the reversal or not, and then probably we can trade it the other way. So we don't have um, the reversal. So what happens now? We go lower up until where this swing point, because till there everything else is a failure swing for me. If we want to trade lower, from where we should trade lower, it's do we have any sort of failure swing or anything inside this lower half of the previous candle? No, we just straight up we just straight up dived. Wow. Can't do anything without a swing point. Do get this C2 here. We see 30. Okay. Kind of made the new high of 10 a.m. Not on ES though. Okay. Weird price action, but being Monday. Yeah. Just ping ponging. So if we get this C2 closure, can we go up? Probably. Ideally should not. That's what I feel. Ideally we should not, because there is no key level that we tapped into. We are inside this huge ass range. We probably are an inside candle on daily, right? Fuck yeah. Wait, what just happened? What? Oh, did I just... Wait, what just happened here? Okay, we were inside candle previous day. Did I just forward it? Sorry, my bad. Fuck. Let's see now. Open previous day PSP inside a consolidation, so it doesn't really matter. But we took out this high on YM, which is kind of failure swing to this. Oh no, sorry, we swept it. So this is the high. Relevant swing point. What do we do on Daily, we didn't do anything. We just gave the what just happened here? Was that a half day? I think that was a holiday, that's why. So C2 closure and then we expand higher, right? Without any significant um, low for the day, but we just expands. What SMT do we have? Probably no SMTs at all. There are a few displacements. One, but we are kind of respecting the opposing candles. We swept this relevant high. Wow, what is this? What just happened here? YM is just shy to go to the upside. Let me see. Okay, it took out this high that we are targeting on NQ. Nice. And it's just waiting for NQ to catch up. And I guess it catches up. 10 AM opens up, catches up, goes lower. Cool. Do we get... It didn't even let me finish that. Do we get the reversal here? We do get the reversal. This is the delayed protraction towards the low of the day. It just rips. There is no continuation apart from this. Should I take it though? So weird. I'll wait. Yeah, I would have been out right away. Damn. 15-minute swing point. Do we get any 15-minute swing point? No, we don't yet. We do get this SMT. Okay. We are just fucking around. I just don't want to really trade anymore. Oh my god. Huge ass wick on 10 AM. Shit. What are we even doing, bro? What are we even doing here? Why? Wow. What a ripoff. No swing point on 15. Swing point on 15. Let me slow down a little. Highest point of the day, so I gotta... Oh my god. Wait, can I just take this fair value gap to 2R? No, I should not. No, not at the highest point of the day. I can't really believe this. I just can't believe this. Oh my god. What just happened here? Oh, shit. What are these days, bro? It expands just without us. Wow. What just happened here? I can't really suck this in. This just expanded. I mean, I don't know, man. The fuck am I doing here? IRL, ERL done. I don't know what should I do now. I just don't know. There is no strength switch here through which I can probably. Okay, we do have this inside a smallest. Um. Okay, let's see. We do have this here with the previous day. Give me icons and give me loading. Where is that? Uh, okay, here. Yeah. So this is the PSP. Give me here like this. Right? Beautiful presentation for YM to catch up towards those highs. If I get this straight, I won't be mad at all on myself then. Definitely not. But it's just fucking expanding without giving me clean trades. Okay, I might be, sort of hesitating just a little bit at some point, but I'm not that bad anyway. C2 SMT. I wanted the strength switch on YM. I don't get it. So can't really trade YM unless I get strength switch. Right. So we expand lower. Do we get this strength switch here? Low is 18503, 18503. Equal lows. Sadly, I don't like the equal lows, bro. Just don't like it. But I might have to rely on this 15-minute closure. See, this is what I'm talking about. It just rips in the first minute of the fucking 5-minute candle. Oh my god, bro. What the fuck? Why? So, to stage, right? Still have to wait. We get this. Probably we got that. Um, let me see. Let me see. Let me see. I mean, I do get this SMT at the lowest point of the day, right? With the previous candle as well. It's just that it's like equal lows, which is why I don't like to trade away from. But I've seen enough times that it just, rips. What will be my break-even point? So break-even point can be this. and definitely this, because this looks like a failure swing, obviously. Uh, let's keep the SL at the lower half of the wick, because if it's coming there, I feel like it should just, sweep those highs and then probably give us the new thing, whatever it wants to do. What time is it? 9:45. Okay, let's just do this. And I really want to target those highs. Okay, let's just take me out, bro. Just take me out. 10 a.m. Am I in the wrong asset though? I don't think so. Yeah. We do have SMT here as well, like this, right? So that was supposed to take me out, but it didn't, because I chose the right asset. And how right I am will determine this trade. Okay, it just moved around. Cool, cool, cool. What did I do wrong? What am I doing wrong? Okay, let's just go to the other day. Bro, I can't take this anymore. Fuck. What is happening? It does take those highs today. Without without me, obviously. We get the new phase of price. We are tapping inside the daily fair value gap on NQ. So we got the new phase of price as well. We do have this SMT at the highs, but I don't really want to trade lower. Um, why I don't want to trade lower? Is it necessary for YM to catch up? When I see weekly, definitely should, right? Let's see this. So we are above the EQ, like we opened the week above the EQ. So I'm not wrong if I want this week to go higher. We are on a Thursday. I don't know, man. And this probably was the news, which I can't see. Just wait. So what is happening here? Made this SMT, started trading lower. There is a fair value gap on NQ, which we just tapped in. Uh, candle is like open high and going low and going low aggressively. We don't have any C2 or anything apart from this. So we just tapped inside a key level. So I need a new phase of price here. So let's see what phase of price we do get here. If we get the continuation, I can still take it. We did get those continuation. Wait, Mari. Bro, I wanted to... Okay, let's see. Okay, we do have SMT here. So there is some strength switch happening in YM. But this is just for now, I guess. 30. Okay. Kind of relevant for me. It's spaced out. Yeah, so probably I should be looking for going to the upside, honestly. But I need a clean price action, which I might not get today. I definitely might not get it today. I also won't be getting that high in this week. This is 10 a.m. open high. Let me see 4-hour now. 4-hour just kind of disrespected the daily fair value gap by a huge margin. Okay, bro, I can't really trade you anymore. You just... I just don't know how to even treat this guy anymore. Like, I don't know, man. Just keeps going lower and lower without even... Okay, so we kind of, reversing from this after giving that SMT. Yeah. Nice. not a good shit, bro. Okay. Friday should be my last day for this session. Again, this was a whole huge beat up. Oh shit, what the fuck? What the fuck? I can't really. I don't know. Am I wrong trading inside this mess? I guess I am. Like, like I see few SMTs working, but then I feel like there is no follow through at all. Like I wanted this to catch up towards this highs, it didn't happen. Then I wanted what this candle to catch up to these lows, but it just ran without me, and then just kind of fucking around. This would be definitely my last trade. I'll just keep a glaze. I'll just glaze towards these. It's already a huge ass bearish day, so I'm not gonna get inside of very like technicals, but it's just that I'll see what is happening and just get inside it. Yeah. Nothing really of significance for me to trade apart from this. I can't take this. I can't take this. I can take this, but I'm lowest point of the day, so I shouldn't be taking it. I would have been out if I would have taken it. Not yet. Okay, so it expands lower. Yeah, now I would have been out. Expands higher. Fucking around. This is ruining my mentality, bro. Like, whoa. What is this gap down? Why is this gap down? Okay. I need some sort of... Okay, wait. C2 inside a fair value gap, so I need the closure. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. It's empty. I don't get it yet. I might get it here. Okay. This can be my only, it's like a huge ass run to target what? To target these lows. These are very relevant lows. I don't think I should be able to trade after these lows get taken, and it's just like right around the corner. Still take it. Fuck it, bro. Okay. Break even. You can take me out if you want. I won't mind that, honestly, because technically you should take me out. So I'm gonna take my 2R if it wants to, retrace or give me a new phase of price. Yeah, a new phase of price is coming. Okay, not that bad. This highs. What the fuck is this day, dude? What just happened here? What trade did I take here? Full position 4.52R. Oh my god, bro, what the fuck was this day? Huge ass day. What happened at this day, bro? What just happened here? 9th September 2016. Shit. What was that day? Wait. This is a huge ass drop on all the assets, not just one. Just reversed, and I break even here, waited for some time, got out here within a span of like 4 hours, I guess, and it's still expanding to the downside. I don't think there is anything lower than this. NQ is just, my god, bro, what happened to NQ? Shit. Damn. Okay, as I said, this was my last day to. Oh my god, bro, what is this spike? Session. Again, not a good session, honestly. Apart from that last, how many trades I lost? 1, 2, 3. Did I lost anything? No. 3 losses, one win, which covered 3 losses and gave me 2R. Crazy day. Oh my god. But not a good session, honestly. I'm still fucking around this. This year was really bad for me. This year is just like, I will see the yearly candle, honestly. Are we in an accumulation phase on yearly or what? Like, where are we over there? I wanted to see that as well. What is this? Expectancy is how much you can expect to earn on each trade overall while profit. Okay, so my expectancy is minus $32 on every trade. Okay. Less than 100 considered poor, performed better. Value over 4 might mean the system is overfitted and not realistic. Okay. So I have to be between 2 to 4. Not even 1.5, but 2 to 4. That will be my next target. Okay, what are the learnings? So, bro, like, oh my god, what are these days, bro? Some big ass accumulation. I should have just, could have missed the whole August month. It was so bad. The whole month was so bad. I can't really tell you. Yeah, man, like, not really a fan of higher time frame consolidation. Ruined my whole month. I was doing okay in the beginning, but then in the second half I just started giving away everything that I made. and that just ruined my psychology at that point of time. And then when I come here, again that thing happens. But now I guess September looks promising after this day, because last day was huge expansion day. So let's see how September goes. I suck at consolidation days. Trust me, I give away everything I make. And I have to be really careful with, picking up those days where if I feel like it will be an accumulation day, I should be comfortable, not trading those days. I really want to do that. I'm not at that particular position to do that yet, but I want to, uh, move towards that. Having said that, obviously I'm not stopping here. What the fuck is this? Like, I can't be satisfied by this fuckery. And this is just 1 year. I am going to do this for 10 years. So let's see how I perform. I know that my model is amazing. Like, it's like crazy good. Like, look at Garrett Street. Look at other people who trades Garrett's, GxT model. They are doing really fine, and of course they are way better than me. But my whole goal for doing this is to be better, right? So I really don't care about these drawdowns and all these losses. I just care about learnings from these losses and probably come again and try that I don't repeat those mistakes. That's it. That's all I care. Apart from that, uh, if numbers gets better, that will be a living proof or a materialistic proof for me that I am getting better at not just model or GXT or TTFM. I'm just getting better in trading, in just tapping buttons buy and sell without giving a second thought to the trades, because my bias are most of the time correct. It's just that I'm not able to position myself in those in those moves. Sorry. So as soon as I learn that, I know that I'll be smacking. Cool. Cool then. See you guys soon. Peace.